What's up, Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching Brinspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday. Good one today, 07 Shelby GT. We're going to watch a dyno pull of it laying down over 500 rural horsepower. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date, I've dug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, let's take a look under the hood. We installed our E-Force 560 package to get the intercooled E-Force Supercharger, coming in about 9 pounds of boost. Includes 41-pound fuel injectors. We give you a booster pump, Kohler spark plugs. You get the air induction system. We also installed a set of Cook's long tube headers and those Detroit rocker camshafts. Check out this dyno pull. Okay, a couple things before you look at these numbers. 93 octane, it's a manual transmission car. We do keep these E-Force Superchargers in stock, ready to ship. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5, 502 row horsepower at just over 6,400 RPM. Torque comes in right where I want it, 445 at about 5,000 RPM. An awesome torque curve across the board. And one of the cool things about these Superchargers, instant boost, go wide open, boom, wide open, over 400 torque right away. All the way across. Gotta love it. So sweet 07 Shelby GT. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. I'm Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching. You email quote@brinspeed.com and say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? Have a good day.